All right, family. You know Dollar Tree is on a bougie trip again. When they bring in Saratoga water, now let me tell you something. Normally I would get this from Whole Foods, but this is $1.25. And you know what's amazing? Because yesterday I was at Dollar Tree and I seen the Saratoga, but I was like, maybe somebody just left it, at the Dollar Tree. They just left it there. Dollar Tree is now carrying Saratoga. If you know, you know. Now, one of the things about this Saratoga, this is the sparkling carbonated spring water. All right, really, really good. Now, I like the Saratoga, not the sparkling water. I like just the regular water, but this one is the sparkling. Let's see if they have the regular one. Oh, it appears that they just have the regular Saratoga, the sparkling Saratoga. And how you always know, like even if you go get Saratoga from somewhere else, is this line right here. Okay, if it's gold, that means that's the sparkling one. Now, they also have these Martinelli, how you pronounce this, Martinellis? All right, these are $1.25. Now, it's so funny because my youngest son, Javon, he was like that he wanted these hemp waters, and these are $1.25 water infused with coconut essence. Absolutely love this. Major finds at Dollar Tree today. Absolutely love this. You are going to be impressed with these Dollar Tree finds. I know you are, okay? Now, Dollar Tree has the fabulous, this is the perfume shower gel. These are $1.25. They also have the shaving moisturizer and shave oil. Now, this is the dupe from Tree Hunt. Tree Hunt moisturizer and shave oil is like $9.99. Dollar Tree has this for $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Pacific Nights, the Power Stick. They said this smells really, really amazing. $1.25. I know if it smells anything like the Brazilian Mist, hands down the best of the best. They also have the Paradise Breeze. This is $1.25, and this is the newer one. Now, if you lovelies are saying, Dina, your nails are nailing, girl, honey, Dollar Tree, $1.25, my loves. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Freeman Soothing Gel Mask with watermelon and aloe. This is $1.25. They also have the essential oils. They said, cleaning with this is really good. 100% pure and natural essential oil tea tree, and then they also have lavender, $1.25. Another hot item is the Dermasil, this milk toner that has oatmeal and snow mushrooms, $1.25 as well. If you guys are looking for name brands, especially when it comes to the skincare, and do not sleep on Dollar Tree skincare, honey, because I've been using it lately, and let's say it's been doing the thing like a chicken wing. Now, they have the Yes to Tomatoes Daily Balancing Moisturizer. This normally is like $7 and is with tomatoes to balance skin, blemish prone skin, $1.25. So yesterday I had brought these nails right here. These are the LED semi-curl gel nail tips. This was a no-go for me. This is the smooth, flawless finish. Applies like a strip hard insert nail. I don't know if I did it wrong or what was the case, but it did not work out so well for me. $1.25. But I was impressed by that little gel LED light that they. All right, family, so I am so excited and stoked to do this video. Listen, so I went to Dollar Tree, got this amazing mini LED lamp, and I just already feel people saying, oh, it's no good for you and all this other stuff. Okay, honey, please, all right? But I got this mini LED lamp, and this was $1.25. Now, I don't see the LED light here. Maybe they had it and sold out. And not even online they have it. Oh, but they do have some other colors. So yesterday, I think I tried, no, it was a lighter, I think purple or so. But they have different ones. Maybe I ain't do it right. I don't know. All right, family. So I think I misjudged the nails, okay? Remember the nails? And I did a review on this. I didn't leave them on long enough, and I should have cut them. So I'm doing my youngest daughter Amani's right now, and I'm going to show you guys how they look. Aren't they gorgeous? So I'm definitely going to get some of these. you know.
Can I go eat my cookies?
All right, and this is the color that Amani got. Man, so good. And I was thinking, like, how do I cut them? I didn't know, you know, first time doing this. But I used some. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Jude collection. These nails right here. They look okay. I mean, these right here, I like these because they have, like, the French tip. So, to me, these are cute. 12 pieces for $1.25. Now, other nails that Dollar Tree has is these. I like these. 12 pieces, $1.25. No glue included. And normally I get the glue, even if the nails came with the glue, I never use the nail glue that comes with the package. I always get Dollar Tree nail glue, but I don't even see it here. The only nail glue that I see is the brush-on nail glue. I normally use the one that's like in a little container. Now, if you guys can't make it to the supermarket and you need to just come to Dollar Tree because Dollar Tree is near you, Dollar Tree has the Colgate Sensitive Whitening Toothpaste. This is $5. Now, another hot item that I absolutely love is these cuticle oils. Now, these are pretty much named after the crystals, like amethyst, and they have a few of these. I think it's like 3 different kinds. These are $1.25. New item. So Dollar Tree has the mashed potatoes with the hot sauce. Look at this. Triple cheese, 4 cups for $1.25. These are absolutely gorgeous. If you guys are looking for candle holders, look at these. So they have the blue ones and they also have these pink ones. These are absolutely gorgeous. $1.25. Dollar Tree is also selling men's boxer briefs. Let's talk about it. 360 stretch, $1.25. Honey, you want to go? Your boo needs some boxers. Honey, come on down to Dollar Tree. All right? Okay. For $1.25, look at these. I mean, look at these. Okay. With the little football, I like that. Now, Dollar Tree has, I was like, this puts me in a mind of something, all right? Garnier Whole Blends. Okay, I guess that's how you pronounce it. Natural Blends, Honey Bliss, Repair and Shampoo, repairs dry and damaged hair, leaves hair fresh and clean, $1.25. New cleaning item. Looky, cookie, concentrated, Comet Ultra, low splash bleach. $5. You guys looking to be more organized? Plastic 2-stack rag, 2 rags, 4 long poles, 4 short poles, 4 end caps, and this is great for under the vanity, or you can put it up under the cabinet in your kitchen. Put your dish soap, your cleaning products. Love that. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite item. Mine definitely was their Saratoga Water. And I think that they had it before. A part of me is like, Dina, did they have this before? But yesterday when I seen the Saratoga Water, for some reason, I was like, no, Dollar Tree ain't selling Saratoga. Yes, they are, honey. Now, they Saratoga is in a plastic bottle. Normally, it comes in a glass bottle. But Saratoga Water, Dollar Tree is definitely stepping it up. Stepping it up. Those prices going up, they stepping it up. And I love it. I'm here for it. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.